love is the wonderful symphony of every beating heart. It is the divine music that whispers to us. In every moment of silence.
Why are you still singing in this town? You should be singing opera.
I don't sing anymore. I lost my voice a few years ago. It never really came back. I won't let you down. I'll make my own way, but I won't let you down.
Are you ready to make music your only reason to live?
This very evening will be your last in the bar.
I want to change my life.
Until you have learned to use your voice properly, do not sing. Do not even practice. Nothing. Silence. Silence is the most important and the most difficult discipline. Lean into it. Lean.
We've taken some very big decisions, you and I.
Sukro wants to sing with me.
Go. Just go.
What can I do to make you happy?
Pavarotti, Samuel have all vanished, and I'm back being supported by my father. Do you understand?
Maestro, can I hug you?